Alright guys, I am back. What we have here is the HGUC ME02R-F01 Messer Type-F01. It's from the upcoming anime Hathaway Flush UC0105. Size comparison with my metallic gold plated HGUC Soda. It's a rare model kit, one of kind. And we have here is one of my rare master grade Power X782. It's a SoftBank version with metal inner frame and plastic outer armor. There you can see it's almost tall as the regular size master grade and quite taller than regular size HGUC. Now, the reason behind why almost all mobile suits in UC105 are bigger than its regular size, it's because the mobile suit manufacturers like Anaheim Electronics are experimenting in using Minovsky particle as a reactor to the mobile suits. Reason why is that they wanted to minimize the load, especially during atmospheric flight, because ever since UC0079 till UC000105, they're still using a nuclear fusion reactor on their mobile suit, which according to the Gundam anime, it needs a booster or extra fuel for a mobile suit to perform a atmospheric flight. If they're able to use Minovsky particle into mobile suits, the mobile suits won't be needing a booster or extra fuel or extra rocket fuel to perform a atmospheric flight, just like the one in UZ0079 side story 08MS team, the Zeon's experimental massive mobile armor, the Asphalus. It uses Minovsky particle reactor, so it didn't need a booster. It actually can fly without using any fuel or rocket fuel or boosters. So that's what the Anaheim Electronics and other mobile suit company were trying to make, which Anaheim Electronics succeeded in UC0105, which the end product is the RX105XI, the nemesis of the Penelope. Well, the Penelope uses nuclear fusion reactors, so that's why the Penelope has a extra unit. It's called the flight unit. Let's go back to the model kit. The model kit only came with the beam saber effect. We have extra hand and the action base connector adapter that you connect underneath here on the bottom. We have the beam rifle and we have the shield that holds the beam saber hilts right there, and it's a regular HGUC shield adapter connector, and it came with one sheet of stickers. It has extra mono eye sticker. Yeah, the mono eye is a sticker apparently, and the yellow trimming stickers, which is right here on the pipes, the shoulder pipes and the head pipes. So that's the only sticker that came with, and I'm pretty happy that Bandai really is adopting the no polycap model kit. This model kit doesn't come with polycaps, doesn't use polycap, and also I am pretty stoked that Bandai finally fix the number one problem that I have encountered for their new 2019 and 2020 model kit plastic, where the gray plastic on their previous releases, the gray plastic is quite soft, easily bendable, and yeah, it's quite soft, easily bendable. Now the gray plastic is solid. I mean, it's solid. It's not that soft and not that hard. With this and with the Revive Saku, the gray plastic is awesome. No complaint. It's a huge HGUC, but don't be deceived by its size. Why? Because this model kit is solid. I mean, solid. There's no flimsy joint, just like the one in Gustav. I mean, the Gustav is huge, but on my copy, the waist part and some part on the I think if I remember right, the one in the shoulder were flimsy. On this one, it's very solid. Even though it's huge, it is very articulated also. Now the Gustav is articulated, but it's not that articulated compared to this one. As you guys saw my stop motion articulation video, this is very articulated. And also, I forgot to include in my stop motion, it has a butterfly joint on the shoulder. There you go, you can see that. So yeah, it's a solid model kit in short. So again, this is worth it. I hope Bandai will continue to do a no polycap model kit. Yeah, this is a very solid model kit. And also, what I like about this is it has a little bit gimmick, especially for the thrusters. The thrusters can move. I mean, Bandai doesn't really have to do it because it's an HGUC, but well, it's there. It's articulated. And side skirts here. I mean the back skirt slash side skirt is movable. Also be careful because on my copy the thrusters here tend to fall down if you pause it, if you move the legs. My recommendation is either glue it or just leave it as is. Just be careful not to lose it. So yeah, it's a very solid model kit, and aside from being solid, it's very articulated. So yeah, I think that's it for now. If you guys have any question, just leave a comment below or send me a message. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And also don't forget to like or dislike my videos. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Till next time, bye bye. To mention that this model kit came with extra part. This is for the back skirt and booster cover, and we have extra headpiece, chest piece, in general upper torso parts. And if you're here in North America and your kit came with a Bluepin logo right here, that means if you make a mistake or you break something or you lose something, you can contact them for a free replacement. The reason why I really like Universal Century is that Bandai uses an actual place in Earth. Like for example in UZ0079, the white base, I think it was in Africa, and then North America and South America. And then on the 08 MS team, it happened in Southeast Asia and a little part of Europe also. Next is the UZ0083 Stardust Memory, which the first few episodes happened in Australia and Torrington base. Next would be the UC0087 Zeta Gundam. It happened in South America and Amazon rainforest. And then after that, it went up north in North America, which is in California, San Francisco to be exact, and going all the way to Florida. And then after that, Florida to Asia, which is Hong Kong, and then back to Florida again. And then on, I think, 0088, it's a very few episode when they went down to Earth. I think that was in North or South America to get the Nihil Argama. And then on 0096, which is the Unicorn Gundam, it happened in West Africa, which is in Dakar. It's located in, literally located in West Africa. And then after that, in Dakar, they went to Australia and Torrington base again. And then on this one, UC0105, it happened in the Philippines, to be exact, in Davao City, where the Earth Federation Air Base is located at. So it's actually an actual place. Bandai and Sunrise uses an actual place, not like in other Gundam universe where the name of the places are imaginary or fiction.